Drinks to build immune system. Daily Natural Cures presents 7 tasty but powerful drinks to boost your immune system. Defense against coronavirus. Having a strong immune system will help you defend off allergies, as well as any colds or flu. However, if you've already become the victim of a virus, a tough immune system will also help you recover more quickly from symptoms like a blocked nose and a sore throat. So, whether you wish to avoid this kind of illness or treat it when it's already taken hold, here are a few examples of drinks that will help you to do just that. These are all super tasty and are easily absorbed by the body, meaning you'll reap the benefits pretty quickly. And during corona pandemic, having stronger immunity seems to be the only better option against the virus. These natural drinks will boost your immunity drastically and makes you stronger against coronavirus. Do subscribe to Daily Natural Cures for more videos like this. Let's start. 1. Watermelon, mint and lime cooler. Watermelon is the first of our ingredients for an immune-boosting drink because it contains a highly beneficial, naturally occurring chemical called lycopene. Lycopene gives watermelon, and tomatoes, their bright red color, but it is also a powerful antioxidant, meaning it supports the immune system and therefore helps prevent illness. Watermelon makes a healthy snack at any time of the day, but for something a little bit different you could try our watermelon, mint and lime cooler. This is tasty and refreshing, plus it contains vitamins A and C, the benefits of which I'll discuss a little later. 2. Orange and tomato juice. Orange and tomato juice are also great for the immune system because of their rich vitamin C content. Not only does vitamin C support the joints and overall skin health, it also helps the immune system defend itself against infections and viruses. However, vitamin C also encourages the absorption of iron, another key nutrient that keeps cells healthy and strong. So, in this way it further contributes to a strong immune system. When it comes to choosing your orange and tomato juices, again fresh is your best option, so when doing your weekly shop try to avoid anything that says from concentrate, as this tends to have added sugar. Alternatively, if you are feeling up to it, you could even make your own juice. Just get a bag of large oranges and squeeze enough of them to fill a glass. 3. Herbal tea. Both chamomile and green tea are also thought to help the immune system because they contain phytochemicals. These chemicals have protective properties, meaning they could help to see off cold and flu viruses. However, chamomile tea also has anti-inflammatory properties, so if you're already suffering from a sore throat or blocked nose, this could help. Therefore, in order to keep your immune system in tip-top condition, why not swap your usual English breakfast tea or espresso for one of these teas? 4. A berry smoothie. Berries are yet another immune-boosting ingredient because they contain antioxidants and vitamin C. Although you can snack on berries throughout the day, a berry smoothie is a great way to reap all the benefits of berries, as you can mix up a few different varieties to create one healthy and tasty drink. We have many smoothie recipes to choose from, however, I favor our raspberry and blueberry one with added coconut milk. It is bursting with berries, so is particularly good for the immune system. 5. Carrot juice. As well as consuming lots of fruits and herbs, another way to support the immune system is to provide it with vegetables. Carrot juice in particular is rich in beta-carotene, which is an antioxidant that is converted into vitamin A in the body. Antioxidants help to counteract free radicals in the body, which can cause damage to cells, contributing to aging skin and health problems. However, the antioxidants in carrots have a special supportive role when it comes to the health of your immune function, aiding it in its fight against viruses and allergies. 6. Apple and spinach smoothie. Another superb ingredient for the immune system is spinach because it too is packed full of antioxidants and vitamin C, which can increase the infection-fighting ability of the immune system. 7. Water. Water is essential regardless of whether or not you want to keep your immune system healthy, as it keeps us hydrated and can even encourage healthy skin. However, drinking water regularly also helps to flush out any toxins from the body, thus enabling the immune system to function as normal. So, this is another key drink when it to encouraging a healthy immune system, and it's important you get your recommended 1.5 to 2 liters a day. Need more inspiration? There are plenty of other juices and smoothies you can either make yourself or buy. The key is to experiment and find one or more that you particularly like the taste of, as this will make drinking them so much easier, and make it something you can look forward to. But to make your search easy, we are planning to give you one more video about 7 tasty drinks to boost your immune system. It will be second part of it. Give this video 250 likes and we will release the second part of this video. Which drink are you going to try first? Apple and spinach smoothie? Or a berry smoothie? Do let us know in comments. Make sure you subscribe to Daily Natural Cures for more amazing videos like this. Thank you.